How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at the SC2 pods from Diode Dynamics. Let's talk about these SC2s that I have on my truck. These SC2s are the Pro flood pattern, which is a 60 by 60 degree spread of light. And it's not like a generic floodlight that simply diffuses whatever the light source is. It's a flood pattern that actually pillows the optics to the outer of the lens surface. It's beautiful. These ditch lights use the TIR, which is the total internal reflection optic. These optics allow for that beautiful, even flood of light, no matter which pattern you get it in. 5 different patterns these come in are driving, fog, flood, combo, and sport. These SC2s also come in a variety of colors. So as you see, I have mine in amber, which can also be used as a chase light. They also special order blue and red ones with backlit functionality too, but I suspect most people will likely stick with white or amber. The white is a 6000K color temperature, which is a true color white output and matches most factory LED lighting. The yellow color, however, is 3000K temperature, which is a great high contrast in poor weather and on terrible days when we have sleet, snow, rain, through the fog. I've actually tested these lights quite extensively. I haven't had a chance to run them in the winter time, so this winter will be part of its proving ground. But nonetheless, I have run these through various water crossings. I've smacked branches off them. I've had a bunch of dust build up on the lenses, and through all of that, I have not had a single problem with either side of my lights. They are still running perfectly, they're still bright, they're still even across the ground. I have no doubt that these lights are a direct competitor with Baja Designs. After having these lights for some time, I can tell you right now I'm very impressed. Such a small package and they're so bright, even in the darkest of nights. And for the price, you can't go wrong. So head over to Diode Dynamics, pick yourself up a set today.